Ever spent hours scratching your scalp only to find the flakes keep coming back no matter what you try? That's exactly where Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo comes in. And today I'm giving you a closer look at whether it really works or not. Nizoral AD comes in a 14 ounces value size and contains ketoconazole 1%, a well-known ingredient for fighting dandruff, designed to relieve flaking and itching caused by it. The shampoo claims to be safe for chemically processed hair and even gray hair, which makes it versatile for different hair types. When applied, it produces a rich, thick lather that rinses out clean, leaving your hair smelling fresh and feeling soft. It's recommended to use it twice a week alongside your regular shampoo routine, and while it does leave hair feeling moisturized, the dandruff control results can vary depending on your scalp condition. Some users report noticeable reduction in flakes after a few uses, while others feel it takes longer to see a difference, which makes it neither a miracle solution or completely ineffective. It's somewhere in between. Another thing to consider is pairing it with Nizoral's Deep Moisturizing Conditioner, which is formulated to work after the shampoo without interfering with the ketoconazole, offering extra hydration and smoother hair. The scent is pleasant but mild, and it doesn't leave your hair heavy or greasy, which is a plus. Overall, Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo delivers moderate dandruff control, gentle cleansing, and hydration, but don't expect dramatic overnight results. Consistency seems to be key. Whether it will work for you may depend on how sensitive your scalp is and how severe your dandruff problem is. If you're interested in giving it a try, the product is available via the tag in this video. This isn't a glowing endorsement nor a negative warning, it's simply an honest overview of what you can realistically expect from using Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo.